of you have heard that AI could take our jobs one day and believed it was happening tomorrow? Well, reality is splashing a bucket of cold water on that fire. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Lawyers, bankers, and consultants are still running the show, and a new study explains why the robots are not taking over. A fresh benchmark from training data company Mercor puts the AI hype on trial, and the results are brutal. The test, called Apex Agents, doesn't ask chatbots to write poems or solve neat math problems. Instead, it throws them into real office chaos with messy multi-step tasks pulled straight from law firms, consulting shops, and investment banks. The results showed that even the smartest models money can buy flopped. Gemini 3 Flash topped the list with just 24% accuracy, while GPT 5.2 followed closely at 23%. Most others didn't even break 20%. In other words, AI failed 3 out of 4 times. So what's going on? According to Mercor, it's not about intelligence, it's about context. Real work isn't clean or linear. A lawyer might need to scan Slack messages, dig through PDFs, cross-check spreadsheets, and then piece everything together to answer one question. Humans do this without thinking. On the other hand, the AI was completely lost. When forced to jump between scattered sources, the models get confused, make answers up, or simply shut down. Mercor CEO says AI is not a seasoned professional, but an unreliable intern who might nail it, might not. That's good news for anyone who was worried about their job. The whole AI is replacing us is nothing more than a nightmare, at least for now. But don't relax too much. Just a year ago, these same systems were scoring 5 to 10%, and now they're hitting the mid-20s. The bots aren't ready to run the office yet, but they are learning fast. Maybe the AI takeover is just late, but still coming. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. You think AI is just for robots and sci-fi? Think again, because it's already running your phone, your watch, and even your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Here's how AI is secretly taking over your everyday tech and making life way smarter. First up, your camera just got a brain. Yes, smartphones and webcams are no longer just lenses. AI-enhanced cameras can analyze lighting, recognize faces, and even shoot low-light photos like a pro. Night shots? No problem. Editing? Done in seconds. Next, your personal trainer never sleeps. Smartwatches now double as AI health coaches, tracking heart rate, sleep, stress, and workouts. Ask it questions, get instant advice, and soon your watch could even monitor blood pressure. AI also handles the boring stuff, from summarizing emails to writing spreadsheet formulas. AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini act like personal secretaries in your pocket. They remember details, connect the dots, and free you from these tasks so you can focus on the stuff that matters. Your kitchen's getting smarter with AI too, as it isn't just in phones, it's cooking your food too. Smart ovens, fridges, and coffee makers now adapt to your habits and even suggest recipes when you don't know what to eat. And of course, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, they're all running on AI-powered recommendation engines. From suggesting shows to translating content instantly, AI makes sure you're always watching what you love without even thinking. AI is everywhere already, and it's only getting started. Cameras, help, work, play, even your kitchen and couch. AI is making your devices smarter, faster, and more personal. And pretty soon, you won't be looking for tech with AI. You'll be wondering how you ever live without it. Which is your favorite AI help? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. You've bought into the AI hype, maybe even rolled out a few tools. But 6 months later, no real change, just a lot of chatbots making weird suggestions. According to OpenAI's Olivier Gaudimin and Sherwin Wu, that's because most companies are doing it wrong. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. On a recent episode of the BG2 podcast, the duo behind OpenAI's developer platform dropped a reality check and 3 critical steps for turning AI into something that actually delivers results. First, build a tiger team. That's a a hand-picked squad of technical experts and employees who know the business inside and out. Goldman said, "In the enterprise, a lot of the real knowledge lives in people's heads. Without that cross-functional group bridging AI and day-to-day operations, your AI rollout is dead on arrival." Second, don't skip benchmarks. Wu and Gottman stressed the importance of EVALs, clearly defined performance goals that show whether the AI is helping or hurting. Wu said they often need to come from the bottom up, meaning the people doing the actual work should help define what success looks like. Third, repeat like an artist. Tracking progress and refining the model is less a straight path and more of a creative process. In Gottman's words, sometimes you need to fine-tune the model yourself, be patient, get your way up there, and then ship. Across the tech world, leaders are catching on. Duolingo CEO holds weekly AI days to encourage AI experimentation. Airtable CEO even told his staff to cancel all meetings if it helps them explore AI. The message: if you want AI to stick, don't wait for magic. Organize, experiment, evaluate, and be ready to build from scratch. What's your take on this? Tell us in the comments. Smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider. And hit the bell icon too so you stay updated with more tech. Hey tech fans! Imagine speaking just by thinking. New AI can turn thoughts into words for people with paralysis. Is this the future of communication? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this mind-blowing breakthrough. Stanford researchers unveiled a brain-computer interface that lets people with paralysis convert imagined speech into words with 74% accuracy. No physical effort needed, just think it. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Stanford's Benjamin Machete-Crossa and his team tested 4 participants with severe paralysis from ALS or brainstem stroke, each with microelectrodes in their motor cortex. They compared brain activity for attempted and imagined speech, finding similar but weaker signals for the latter. An AI trained on a 125,000-word database decodes these signals, turning thoughts into spoken words, unlocked only by thinking chitty chitty bang bang with 98% accuracy for privacy. This BCI is less taxing than systems requiring physical speech attempts, with participants preferring its speed and ease. At 74% accuracy, it's a proof of principle, but future sensor and AI upgrades could boost reliability. It's a lifeline for those with paralysis, offering a new way to communicate effortlessly. Experts like Mariska van Steensel warn about distinguishing intended speech from private thoughts, suggesting a toggle for user control. Benjamin Alderson-Day clarifies this isn't true mind reading, as it's limited to simple words. Regulated by federal agencies, this tech prioritizes medical ethics. Could this evolve into seamless, secure communication for all? This mind-reading AI is still evolving, but it is a massive step for accessibility. Are you excited for its potential or curious about privacy? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on AI turning thoughts into speech. Are you hyped for this communication revolution or worried about privacy risks? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech scoops.